Cultural appropriation and cultural appreciation are terms often used in discussions about the exchange of cultural elements. While both involve interacting with another culture, they differ significantly in context, intent, and impact. Defining cultural appropriation. Cultural appropriation refers to the adoption of elements from one culture by members of another culture, often without permission or understanding. This can lead to the commodification of sacred symbols and practices, reducing them to fashion or trends. Examples of cultural appropriation. 1. Fashion. When designers use traditional garments like Native American headdresses in runway shows without acknowledging their significance. 2. Music. Non-indigenous artists adopting indigenous sounds or styles while ignoring the cultural context. 3. Festivals. The use of cultural symbols in music festivals, often by attendees who lack an understanding of their meanings. Defining cultural appreciation. Cultural appreciation, on the other hand, involves a respectful understanding and acknowledgement of another culture. It emphasizes learning and engaging with cultural practices in a way that honors their origins. Examples of cultural appreciation include several meaningful practices. First, collaborative projects. Artists from different backgrounds working together to create meaningful art that respects each culture's contributions. Then, there's learning languages. Engaging with another culture by learning its language, history, and customs. And finally, cultural exchange programs initiatives that promote understanding through shared experiences and education. Key differences between cultural appropriation and appreciation revolve around a few crucial aspects. Intent. Cultural appropriation often stems from a lack of understanding or respect, while appreciation arises from genuine interest and respect. Context. Appropriation tends to ignore the historical and social contexts of cultural elements, whereas appreciation involves recognizing their significance. Impact. Appropriation can perpetuate stereotypes and cause harm, while appreciation fosters mutual respect and understanding. Cultural sensitivity is essential in navigating these complex waters. Being culturally sensitive means recognizing the power dynamics at play. It requires understanding the historical context of cultures, especially marginalized ones, and being aware of the consequences of one's actions. Cultural appropriation often occurs when a dominant culture appropriates elements from a marginalized culture. This dynamic can reinforce stereotypes and contribute to the erasure of the original culture's significance. Navigating the gray areas. There are instances where the line between appropriation and appreciation can blur. For example, using elements of a culture in a respectful manner, such as hiring cultural consultants or collaborating with cultural representatives, can shift the act from appropriation to appreciation. Creating dialogue. Encouraging open conversations about cultural exchange can help bridge gaps and foster understanding. Engaging with individuals from different cultures allows for learning and growth. The importance of education. Educating oneself about the cultures being engaged with is crucial. This includes understanding historical contexts, traditions, and the significance of cultural symbols. Conclusion. Navigating the complexities of cultural appropriation versus appreciation requires awareness, sensitivity, and a willingness to learn. By fostering respect and understanding, we can engage with cultures in a meaningful way that honors their significance.